Hello once again, Monster Hobbies Model Car Garage Mechanics, and welcome back to another little video. So I have an idea for making some members only type content on this channel because I feel like I need to give the members more. Now, any video that I upload has a members first kind of thing going on. So if I maybe upload a video for this car here, then members can see that before it actually goes on the regular release schedule. So members could see that right away, and then the regular subscribers would see that maybe if I did it in October or whatever. So in addition to just that, which I don't think is quite enough because any subscriber could just wait 4 months or whatever it is and see that unboxing, I thought I would do some special things for members only. But they can also include you, the subscriber, as well. So for example, a little while ago, I got a whole bunch of new custom AMT parts and model car parts from a customer of mine, and I've got a mystery box here. So one of the things I could do is start a mixed mystery box challenge where I would show these parts and things that I got from the customer, as well as some other things like Revell parts packs, AMT parts packs, stuff from the 60s, weird parts that I have from other collections and whatnot. And maybe we could pick a model kit like this AMT 64 Ford or 63 Ford Galaxy or something like that. And then I would show the mystery parts. And then as a member, you could pick out which parts you think would look cool on this model. And then from there, I can make member videos that are based on those. But then for the regular subscribers, I could show sort of a look at what parts I used and that sort of thing. But members would have the choice of which parts they would pick out for the build and all that kind of cool stuff. So what do you think of that? If you're interested, please click that join button and become a member today, and you can be part of that design team or choosing team or whatever you want to call it for the Mystery Parts Build Challenge. And if you're a subscriber, you can always catch the results of the Mystery Parts Challenge by staying tuned to this channel and watching for those announcements and the videos as I release. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Would you like to see this? Yes or no? And in the meantime, I'm going to make my first members only video where I'm going to show members the parts that I've got from the customer. Not all of them, but a bunch of them, because hey, members need content too. So like I say, if you wish to be part of the membership, click that join button now. And there is a little bit of a monthly fee. It's really small. You know, you could get 1 cup of coffee with it or whatever. So it's not bad. So let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the join button. And until next time, everybody, happy model building, and we'll see you and the members in the next videos.